whenever we say yes, we raise our hand to those impulses, to those truths within us, the universe says yes back. And oftentimes our yes back is an emergence of all the things that we are also ready to clear away in order to step into that path. So when I say, universe, I am ready to be a healer. I am ready for more miracles in my life. I am ready for this path. I am revealed my mindsets and my blocks and my challenges that I am also ready to let go of. And doubt is one of those blocks. Doubt is tricky. Doubt is tricky because it actually serves so many different purposes for us. There's purpose to doubt. And I want to dive into that purpose today with you guys. One of the purposes of doubt actually emerges from our ancestors. Sometimes we are doubters because we are questioners. We like to question things. And being a questioner is actually a great quality. It means that I am observing my environment. I'm kind of sussing it out. I'm exploring a bit. But questioning with doubt is like driving a car with your foot on the gas pedal and your foot simultaneously on the brake. It's, I want to go forward, but I'm really not ready to go forward. So we need to shift the way that we actually question in the world. We question to keep ourselves safe. It's not a bad thing to question our environment. It's not a bad thing to question others. But if we are always using doubt to question, we're blocking ourselves from moving forward. And so this doubt piece, it comes from a long history of places where we were not safe, places where our ancestors weren't safe. And so we use it actually to stay safe. So what we need to do is, it's really important that we have the ability to question. And question to me is actually a beautiful way of being in question is actually being curious. Having an open heart and being curious to the world. Exploring and feeling if it's right and true to you. That is an open way of questioning. That is driving with your foot on the gas pedal. Maybe you take it off a little bit, slow down, feel, and then when you're ready, you might put it back down again.